Hey everyone, and welcome. This is a guided meditation on the I am, on the witnessing essence that you are. So I invite you to find a seat or to find a place where you can relax, and we'll begin. Take a deep breath and relax. Allow yourself to let go of your focused mind. Take a deep breath and relax even further, dropping in to the here and now, letting go of all thoughts and perceptions, allowing yourself to rest in the peace that arises when you cultivate the will to release the tension that holds you into the external world, the different modalities that take away from your focus and turn it inward to the single pointedness of the I am that is here. That is omnipresent in this relaxed state. Which here, the I am, is your deepest sense of being. Allow yourself to just be as you are. This beingness that resides within your heart space of just a presence of you that is beyond thought, beyond mind, beyond body. This inner knowing of truth. This inner knowing of witnessing everything that you perceive in the stillness, in the observer seat of all that is. Rest here. Become familiar. Become welcoming to this space that arises when you let go and surrender into the deeper knowing that exists within. Allow this to permeate all space, all time. Ask yourself here, who is the innermost me? What is the core of this experience? I am that which is the essence of this equation, the essence of what is. Notice how your energy body expands into more awareness that prevails the room, this well-being that fills you with contentment and bliss. Even here, ask yourself, what is the innermost me now? And now. And now. Expand your awareness. Become translucent. Become familiar. It's like homecoming to yourself because you can just be as you are. Untethered, untouched here. Become so self-aware that nothing can take you away from the peace that you have cultivated in this inner gaze, this one desired focus of you, of that in which you are. And find the ease that it brings you. For you are now yourself. You can now be yourself without any other gazes upon you. You are here. And you know now that all else, all answers will always come from this answered place, from this peaceful stillness of the I exist. Before all else, it is me. This you-ness. That is here always. Rest and become familiar. Seek it as your source of vitality and knowing and remembering and cultivating inner intelligence, where all else permeates is the what is, the I am of you.